In this video, I'll show you how to get notified on WhatsApp when files are uploaded in Dropbox automatically. So assume that you have created a folder inside Dropbox, and whenever any of your team member is uploading a file in that folder, you should get an automated notification on your WhatsApp number about the very same file upload. Now, what is the benefit of this automation? Well, you do not have to check your folder that whether your team member has uploaded the file or not. In fact, your team member also do not have to text you after every file upload that hey, I have successfully uploaded the file. You can check that file and let me know the changes. Okay, so in this way you can entirely automate this process. So if you also want to automate this process, come with me and I will show you how you can set this automation for yourself step by step. So this is my Dropbox account, and here I'm going to upload a file into a specific Dropbox folder in front of you, and you will see how after that file upload I will automatically receive a notification on my WhatsApp. But before that, I'll have to set an automation in Dropbox and WhatsApp, and I'm going to do that with Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software by which you can easily connect to multiple applications and automate your task. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box for your reference. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you'll have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month in your account in order to test such kinds of amazing automation. I am already an existing user, so firstly I have clicked on sign in, then I have selected this Pabbly Connect access now among all the application, and this is how I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And after reaching here, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. So I'm going to provide the name something like when new file is uploaded in Dropbox, okay, in Dropbox, get notification on WhatsApp. Okay, I'm providing this particular name. It is completely up to you what kind of name you would like to provide to your workflow. And after that, you'll find two boxes in front of you, trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, and here according to our use case, whenever any new file is uploaded in Dropbox application, automatically get notification on WhatsApp application. And here for receiving the notification on WhatsApp, I'm going to use Interakt application. Okay, this is the Interakt application which we will be connecting with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly here you will have to search for the Dropbox. Okay, because in this particular case we are building an automation in Dropbox and Interakt application. Okay, and I'm going to do the setup of Interakt later. I'm just selecting this application here, searching this application here. Okay, so the idea here is I'm going to connect Dropbox with Pabbly Connect, so that whenever any new file is uploaded in Dropbox, that file details should be captured via Pabbly Connect. You can even read here triggers when a new file is added to a specific folder. Alright, so I have selected the same, clicked on connect, click on add new connection, click on connect with the Dropbox, and you will have to provide the access of your Dropbox account. I'm already logged in into my Dropbox in some different tabs, so authorization is successful directly and it is connected. Okay, now it is asking for the folder path. Basically provide the path of that folder in which you are about to upload the files, basically from which you would like to receive the notification. So I have created this folder with the name all infographic data, and I am going to upload the file here, and as soon as the file is uploaded here, I should receive the notification. So that is why I am going to provide the folder path of that folder. Okay, so you'll have to read the instructions while checking a file in a folder name sample folder. The folder path will be sample folder. Okay, further in the subfolder sample folder, then new folder. Okay, so this is how you'll have to provide the folder name. Okay, so how about I directly copy the name of this particular folder? All right, so I have copied it. Let me paste it, and let me first remove this extra space also. Now now I'll be clicking on this button, save and send test request, and the details of that folder will be received via Pabbly Connect, but currently there is no such file available inside this Dropbox file. Okay, so firstly I'm going to upload a file, then I'll be clicking on this button once again, and you will see how the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so I am going to upload a random file from my computer in front of you, and you will see the magic. Alright, so I am uploading this new design of gown, basically an image of a bridal gown. Okay, so the uploading of this file is finished here. Coming back to Pabbly, and let us click on this button once again. And here you can see the response is received. So let me show you the details one by one. Here you can see we have this shareable link. Okay, so if I will open this link, you will see it is the same image which I have just uploaded. Okay, and let me show you other details as well. So this is the name of the file which I have uploaded, and here we have the folder name also along with the file name. And let us check other details. So here we have the date and the time also. So this is how we have captured all the details, and the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Dropbox and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine, and the first step of our automation is also done. Now moving further, we are going to notify about the same file upload. Basically we are going to notify ourselves. Okay, and I am going to send the notification with the help of Interakt application, which have the access of the official API of WhatsApp. Okay, basically I am going to use Interakt for sending and receiving the WhatsApp messages. Okay, and an action even since I want to send a WhatsApp message, so that is why I have specifically selected the same. Now as I have connected Pabbly Connect and Dropbox, here I am going to connect this Interakt with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so again use this add a new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the secret key. So you will have to read this instruction, and since I am already logged in into my Interakt application in different tab, okay, so I have directly click on that hyperlink. Alright, so here you can see in this developer setting I have this secret key. I am going to copy this key, coming back to Pabbly Connect, and I am going to paste the same key here, clicking on save, and this is how Interakt application will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for few details. Firstly it is asking for the country code, then it is asking for the phone number, then again it is asking for the full phone number. Now why it is asking for the phone number at two different places? Okay, so for this I'll show you some note, an important note. Okay, read the instructions. It is mandatory to give a value for either full phone number or for both phone number and country code. Okay, so just in case if you have a full phone number, here full phone number means country code along with the phone number. So if you have a full phone number of your customer or maybe of yours, in that case you'll have to provide the number value, phone number value here. But just in case if you do not have the country code, you just have the number only, in that case you'll have to provide the number here, and separately you will have to provide the country code. Okay, in our case we are going to provide the full phone number here. Okay, I am going to provide my number only, and I'm going to provide the full phone number only. So that is why I'll be adding the number here along with the country code as per the instruction. Okay, and right in front of you I'm simply adding a dummy number, but don't worry, I will replace this number with my genuine number when I'm about to send the real WhatsApp number. Okay, let me first count this value. Alright, it is a 10-digit number. Okay, asking for the template code. So firstly you will have to read this instruction. Okay, and then I will take you to the Interakt application. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Interakt. From the left hand sidebar you will find an option of the template. Simply click on this option, and this is how you will reach out to the WhatsApp template section. So what is this section all about? So basically whenever you want to send any kind of message using WhatsApp official API, firstly you will have to create a message template first in that application. Okay, and this is the button provided via which you can create your message template, and after creating this template you'll have to submit it for the approval, and after submitting the template you'll have to wait, because WhatsApp can take up to 24 hours to review, approve or reject a template. Okay, so here if I will minimize, you will be able to see at the right hand side that some of the template are approved, some of them are actually rejected. Okay, so here here we have multiple status, approved, pending and rejected. So basically whatever the templates marked with the green color are actually the approved one, the templates marked with the red color are the rejected one, and if you will notice a yellow color, those templates are actually marked with the actually considered as the pending one. Okay, so I have created this particular message template. Let me show you the name of my message template. Okay, so firstly let me minimize it, take the scroller up, and then I am going to again maximize it so that you can see the data very clearly. Okay, so here I have created a message template with the name file upload notification, and I have already got the approval for the same. Okay, so the name of the template is file upload notification. Here the language I have selected is English, and I have not selected any header along with my message, and from here exactly you can compose your message. Okay, so you can read my message: hello team, a new file has just got uploaded in this folder, and here I have placed a variable. How and from where you can place a variable? So when you are into the edit mode, you will find the buttons, the several option of adding the variables, or maybe for the formatting as well. Okay, because currently I am into the view mode, into the preview mode, so that is why those options are not visible here. And what is the benefit of this variable? So whatever the details you want to keep on changing automatically, you will have to keep those variables in the form of variable. I hope you have understood, and if you are still not sure what is that, what is this all about, come with me and I will show you step by step that what is this variable all about and how it is useful for us. Okay, so a new file has just got uploaded in the folder, and here we are going to add the folder name by the designer team. Please review the design, let them know the changes if any. You can check that file from here. Okay, thanks. Okay, so this is how you can compose your message. Just in case if you want to attach any footer along with your message, any buttons along with your message, you can also do the same. Again, these are optional, so I have not applied any footer or buttons. Okay, and after creating this template, do not forget to provide the sample. Now what are the samples? So basically you will have to provide a sample content, a sample value, that what value will come in place of this particular variable. Okay, and after providing the sample, you can submit it for the approval. Okay, so now I will first copy the name of this particular template. Okay, so I have the template name as file upload notification. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, and it was actually asking for the template code name, so I have already copied it and I have pasted the same here. Asking for the language code, so again you will have to read the instructions to get the language code. Okay, for example, code for English will be EN, and the code for English US is going to be EN US. Okay, so I have selected which particular language. Basically it is an English language, so that is why I will be adding the code as the EN only. Asking for the header value, well, in my message template I have not included any header, so I am going to leave this particular field blank. Okay, asking for the body variable values, the most interesting part of this particular section. Okay, so body value variables, basically what value will come in place of this variable. Okay, so I want that in place of this particular variable a folder name should appear. So how about I provide a sample folder name? Okay, sample folder name. Okay, let me also correct the spelling first. Sample folder name. Okay, in case you have multiple variables as given in the example, you'll have to provide the values in this particular format. Okay, so basically you'll have to put a comma here and provide the second value here. Okay, currently I just have a single variable, so I'll keep this particular value only. Asking for the position of CTA button. Okay, again I have not included any dynamic URL and any CTA button, so I'm going to leave these two fields blank. Okay, now I'll be clicking on this button directly, but before that I'll have to replace this dummy number with my genuine number. Alright, so I have provided my number, clicking on this button save and send test request and waiting for the message to be arrived. Alright, fingers crossed, and the response was already received into my Pabbly Connect. I'll have to wait for the message to arrive here. Alright, so here you can see the message is arrived already. Hello team, a new file has just got uploaded in this folder, the sample folder name by the designer team. Please review the design and let them know the changes if any. You can check that file from here also. And after this particular colon, I have actually forgot to use a variable, the second variable. If I have used a variable after this colon, I can actually provide the value of the file link also. In that case, people can actually access the file from here, from their WhatsApp message only. Okay, and in place of this sample folder name, I should remove this particular folder name and provide the actual folder name. Okay, so instead of this particular folder name, firstly I am going to check whether I have received the exact folder name or not into my response. All right, so I do not have the exact folder name, so how about I directly copy this folder name. Okay, and whatever the details I am going to provide here manually will remain same. Okay, so let's say here I am providing the folder name manually, so this folder name will remain same. But just in case if I will provide any value from this particular drop down, now what is this data? Basically it is the same data which we have just received from our previous step. Okay, so if I will map the data from here, this is how the value will be changed automatically when this automation will work in real time. But currently I'm not really interested in mapping any value. Okay, so that is why I will be providing this value manually. Okay, I'll be clicking on this button, save and send test request once again, and wait for the new message to be arrived. Okay, so here you can see a new message has been arrived, and this time I have the folder name as this. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to upload a new file here, Pabbly Connect will capture the data in every 10 minutes. Okay, so just in case your data is not getting captured, the messages are not receiving in real time, don't worry about that. Okay, just wait patiently for at least 10 minutes. Okay, so what will happen? Every time a new file is uploaded here, Pabbly Connect will capture the data in every 10 minutes, and this is how Pabbly Connect will send the data, send the message automatically about the very same file upload. And this is how you can receive the notifications about every file upload on your WhatsApp. Okay, just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the workflow link into my description box. Simply click on this particular link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and you will be able to access this particular workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.